Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. And as we kick off another work week, let's go ahead and take a look at what the forecast has in store for us, really for this whole week, because it's going to be a very interesting week. We're going to see all kinds of weather events happening this week. So first of all, let's start off, as we always do, by taking a look at the current conditions outside. As you can see, some isolated showers out off the coast there. A few isolated showers up in Virginia and in eastern Tennessee. Nothing around us at the moment, and that's a great thing. We'll see that change a little bit as we go through the day, but not a whole lot. Most of our rain is going to come later this week. Let's go ahead and turn on the temperatures here, as well as just bringing up the graphic as well to show you all the temperatures that are going on here. So we've got the mid 60s around the county for the most part. 60s going deep into South Carolina as well. Some 70s off to our east and also through parts of Tennessee and down to our south. Now, let me back this out just a little bit, because here's where the interesting part comes in. So you see all that green kicking in there? Not hard to see where the cold front is this morning, as that's going to be our weather maker over the next couple of days. So there's a cold front. It's kind of, well, that's really not a good line. Let's draw it a little bit better here. It's kind of right in through there. So this cold front, it's starting to dip down to the south and to the east. And as that continues to make its way toward us, the temperatures are going to get cooler. But also along with that, our rain chances will increase for tonight. On Tuesday and Wednesday, things are going to be really good for us. And then as we get to the end of the week, Tropical Storm Sally will start to have an impact on us. So let's go ahead and kind of take a look at what we can expect really over the next 5 days. And we'll do that by, first of all, taking a look at where Tropical Storm Sally is at the moment. I'll go ahead and bring that detail up for you as well. Actually, we'll go ahead and start with the 5-day forecast, since we're already at that point with what I have loaded here. So today we'll see partly sunny skies, a high of 83. Rain chances increase as we move through the evening hours, low of 60 with a 30% chance of isolated showers as we move through the remainder of the evening. On Tuesday, you're going to see a noticeable difference in the temperatures, but not as noticeable as they are going to be as we get to the end of the week. Sunny skies, 77 degrees, partly cloudy skies Tuesday evening with a low of 56. The dew points are going to be perfect for us over the next 2 days. Going to feel pretty pleasant outside for us. On Wednesday, partly sunny skies, high of 76. Rain chances increase as we get late in the day on Wednesday. We'll see a low of 61 with a 30% chance of isolated showers. Thursday and Friday, that's where Sally is going to have an impact on us, along with the cold front that's moving through the area. Look at the temperatures first of all. 72 for a high on Thursday, 71 for a high on Friday. And believe it or not, they go lower as we get into the weekend. On Thursday, we'll see a 60% chance of isolated showers throughout the day. Again, a high of 72, low of 62. On Friday, a 60% chance of isolated showers throughout the day, a high of 71 and a low of 56. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Sally and where she is at the moment. It takes us just a moment to pull up as I bring it up here. And there we go. So you see the current track for Sally has the storm making landfall right along the Louisiana coastline on Tuesday as a Category 1 storm, and the track continues to keep the storm moving in our direction. Now, one thing I have noticed over the past 24 hours is the track is starting to dip a little further south. At the moment, that has kind of increased the amount of rainfall we could get, but the further south it goes, so let's just say that the track ends up going and taking a deeper cut, and it does something like this right here. The further south it goes, the more our rain chances go down. If for some reason the track decided to maybe come out a little farther and come up like this, our rain chances go up. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as we continue to make our way through the next 24 to 48 hours, because as that track makes its way around, again, it could either reduce our rain chances by going further south or increase the amount of rain we get by going further north. I don't think it's going to do anything crazy like this, but let's just say it were to cut out something like that right there. Well, that would also decrease our rain chances because it's pulling the center of the storm away from us. So either direction would have an impact on us if it goes further south or way further north. But again, I think based on where the current track is right now, we're getting pretty close to what we can expect to see over the next couple of days. Now, as far as rainfall totals go, that's where things kind of get interesting for us, as we could see some heavy rainfall totals over a 2-day period as we get late in the week. So this is for really the end of day on Friday. And you can see again, this is just a model, so it's just an estimate, but anywhere between 2 and 3 inches of rainfall for Rowan County, depending on where you are. Um, again, the track is going to be the key for all of this. But if the storm holds the current track that it's on, again, we can see between 2 and 3 inches of rainfall. And that's going to be really from late Wednesday night through, I'd say, around midday Friday at this point. It's not going to be a complete washout the whole time. It's going to be pockets of heavy rain that'll be embedded in there. So we'll have to keep an eye on it, see how that plays itself out. But it's certainly going to have an impact on the end of the week. Now, if we get through all that, some of the models are showing that we're going to get into the low 70s, maybe even upper 60s for highs as we go through the weekend and into next week. And we could even see our first taste of the upper 40s. Now, again, a lot of time left here for things to change, and most likely they will. But I will keep you updated on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those social media websites, as well as our website at www.RowanCountyWeather.com. If you don't do social media, I know a lot of folks don't because they're just fed up with everything you see on it, and I get it. If you don't do the internet at all, you have someone who's older that they don't utilize the internet, or they just really could care less whether they had the internet at home, and they have cable TV, they can check us out on Access 16 in Salisbury as well. As always, thank you for following us at Rowan County Weather. And remember that if you need any assistance from our sponsors who sponsor our forecast, SA Sloop Heating and Air, give them a call and they can hook you up. The first time service call, if you mention that you saw it on Rowan County Weather, they'll give you $25 off that first time service call. Enjoy your Monday, everybody. And as always, thank you for following us at Rowan County Weather.